An actual on-ride POV this time. I'd probably not have my purse around my neck like that, because this ride does have its moments that I would not want it to. That. If you guys saw my reaction to this, here's our figure here. You can see I'm not the only one videoing this ride. Wonder if that's a coaster YouTuber in front of me. Another coaster YouTuber. Woo! Oh, woo! Zones. For those of you unfamiliar with what a block zone is something that that only one train may be occupying at a time. It's practically a meme at this point.